Let's go. Oh yaar, oh bismillah. Okay people, welcome back. As you can see, I've got my gear on, so I'm gonna show you in a bit what I'm gonna do. Yes? Okay, I'm walking towards the thing that I'm gonna do. I'm not sure how far it is, but you've seen on my gear, and I will give you a preview of what I'm going to do. It cost me around €5. It wasn't that expensive. You can do one other stuff as well, but that was €25, and what I'm going to do now is €5. So see you in a bit. Right now I'm standing in front of the thing that I'm going to do, the activity. I will introduce you guys to the guy who works here, and then he will tell you guys what we're going to do.
How are you? I think you are good. Yes, my name is Alamdar Hussain. I am doing job there. So please welcome.
Thank you.
Yes.
So people, I'm going to zipline.
Yes. First of all, you came here.
Guys, as you can see, I'm here with my brother. He's from Pakistan as well, so that's good. He's tightened me up, and now I think I'll be fine.
Sit down, like a chair. Like a
Okay.
chair.
Now I'm sitting like a chair.
Yes.
You ready? Now we're going.
Yes, ready?
We're ready, yeah. Let's go.
And go.
Take it. Okay. Let's go. Oh yaar, oh bismillah.